Hi there, my name is Carrie, and my goodness, it is Brow Makeover Month, you guys. And Brow Makeover Month is a lot more than just filling in our eyebrows. It's about being the best you that you can be. Today we are looking at Brow Bar by Reema's best-selling microblading pen. If you're ready for a brow transformation, this pen will work wonders. Here's my natural brows without anything on them. And here is after I have used the Microblade pen. Some of us might have heard about actual microblading, which is a semi-permanent brow tattoo, and it's supposed to mimic your natural brows. So the awesome thing about this pen is that you can do it at home. It's waterproof and smudge proof, so it will give you a long-lasting brow. The pen has 4 micro points to draw on your perfect brows. One thing I love about it is that it mimics your actual brow hairs. So when you're drawing them in, you're going in the same direction that your brow hairs are growing. The microblading pen is available in 3 shades, light, medium, and dark. And as you can see coming up here, you can do your brows very quickly and effectively with the microblading pen. Let me walk you through how to use Brow Bar by Reema's best-selling microblade pen. We're going to keep the tip flat against your skin so that when you're drawing, it's drawing 4 lines instead of just 1. So you can see here I have it flat against my skin, and I'm going to start at the front of the brow and draw upward in the direction that my hairs are going. I'm continuing those upward hair strokes, and now I'm going to start curving them with my brow hair. So now I'm curving outward to the right. And once you get to the end, you can use it more in a straight line because that's where your brow is a little bit thinner, so you can thin it out at the end. If you need to clean up at all around your brow, I like to take a flat, small brush. You can just go ahead and clean up any around. I have a little bit on the top that I want to clean up. And that is a gorgeous brow. You can really see how the pen mimics your brow hairs and that it is thin strokes as if you were getting your brows microbladed. Get your microblading pen and all your brow products at browbarbyreema.com, and make sure to tag Brow Bar by Reema on social media so that they can see your beautiful brows and share your work.